Wanna race, bud? Wanna race? Probably the only motorcycle I can beat. Same class as mine. Look at that, he took off. Taking a little ride to a route that my buddy recommended, and testing out the new exhaust, seeing how it rides. I've already ridden maybe a couple miles and it's really fucking loud and poppy. So the topic that I wanted to talk about today was being a new rider. I've only been a rider for, well, 1,800 miles I've put on this bike, and that's exactly how many miles I've ever ridden a bike before. How loud this is. It pops like crazy. It's ridiculous. People are probably so pissed off. Whatever. So being a new rider, if you guys want to start riding motorcycles, like, it's so much fun, man. Getting all these, everybody's looking at me. Like, I just want to go and ride every chance I get. Every chance I get, I want to ride. Rueda. I take a left here. Fuck it. Yeah, but if you guys are interested in riding, man, it doesn't matter what you get as a first bike. I mean, it's always going to be fun getting on there and learning. I just hopped on this motorcycle. I bought it brand new. I don't recommend doing that because you're going to pay way more than what it's worth, and you're probably going to go upside down on it. I paid around $5 grand for this bike. It was like $5,200 or something like that. It's just so dumb. Yeah, this is the road I'm supposed to take a left on. Riding in California too, I mean, the weather is amazing all the time. There's no downgrade to getting a motorcycle here. Plus I get to work on time. I basically can leave whenever I want. Usually it takes me about 40 minutes in traffic in my car to get to work, and I mean, shit, with splitting lanes here, it only takes me about 15 minutes to get to work no matter what. But would I buy an R3 again? I don't know, probably not. Hear that pop? It's crazy. Stupid, dude. Probably not. I probably wouldn't get an R3. I mean, for the price you pay, I could have gotten a used like R6 or CBR 600 and been way more happy with it. But I'm stuck with this bike for a while. Riding a motorcycle has been a thrill for me. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting a motorcycle. Maybe not. I mean, it depends on. I guess learning on this R3 has been a lot easier than learning on like a 600cc bike. You know, I can pull the throttle back and at any gear, and not gonna pop a wheelie. I'm not gonna lose control of the bike. I love the sound. I wish it was just a little quieter, just a little bit. It's ridiculous. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Alright, so roughly the last minute of the video is just me riding around, giving you guys a chance to really get a feel of what the exhaust sounds like. I have a couple different angles on 2 different GoPros with 2 different sound bites on the exhaust, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Just want you, I just want you. The words I never said but wanted to. I'm losing